Hi, now that you have learned how to make the foundation chain, let's learn how to make the slip stitch. So, for every project, we need to make the foundation chain first, and for that, we will make 10 chains 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have our foundation chain. Let's make the slip stitch. For that, we'll make one more chain, then we'll put the hook into the next chain. This is the extra chain, and we'll put the hook into this chain here. Then pull the yarn through the loop, and then that length will pull this loop through this loop, right? Let's do it one more time. Put the hook through the loop, then pull up the loop, then pull through this loop. Let's do that again for we'll continue doing this till this chain. So for me, doing a slip stitch is a little hard. Like, I find it very difficult to work with slip stitch. Like, the first slip stitch is fine, but working in the slip stitch is hard for me. So I don't prefer working slip stitch. I just so yeah, I don't make project to it only with slip stitch. Then okay, while talking I reached the last stitch. So yeah, now we'll make one chain, then flip the project, and the next step is we'll be working the next row, and for that we'll put the hook under these two loops. You see, one and these two. So we put the hook under these two loops. Yeah, this is what I find difficult. So then pull the loop through it, and again pull through, and again continue this through these two loops. So if we see this, we can't find it very easily. You will see this 1 and 2. We are not putting the hook under these two. We are putting the hook through under this 1 and 2. So basically, this is the middle loop, and this is the last. There is a back loop, and this is the front loop. So we are putting the hook under the middle and the back loop. I hope I am being clear. And then pull through this, and you can continue this as long as you want. If you like working like this, then you can continue making project with slip stitch, which is not recommended by me. But yeah, as you can see, this makes this slip stitch make the projects gap free. Like, see, you can't see any gaps in here. Even if I pull it, and if I pull this way, then you can see some lows, but which will eventually get hide. Yeah, I'll just do this second row. I'll just complete this row, and then we'll move forward to single crochet. Yeah, single crochet. After working slip stitch, when you work for single crochet, you will be like, oh, this was way easier than the last stitch we learned. Yeah. And for half double crochet and double crochet, those are go-to stitches for any project. Like, you'll be obsessed with those stitches because this one is, as you can see, this one is too hard to put the hook through. And also the progress is slow with these stitches because the height of the stitches is very low. If I have to tell you about the double crochet, then this double crochet will be double of this, twice of this stitch. You see, I did 2 rows of slip stitch is going to be equal of one row of double crochet. Made 2 panels. This one was a single crochet, this was made with a double crochet stitch. Now I will show you, we have to join these 2 panels together, then how will we join. And I made these stitches in 10 chains, and this one also was made with 10 chains, but you can clearly see here it was 3 rows, 1 2 3 rows. This was 5 rows, and you can see the difference, the length and everything. 3 rows of double crochet is bigger than the 5 rows of single crochet, and also lengthwise. Now I will show you how to join them together. For that I will make a slip stitch first. This one is slip stitch. So I make this. Now I will hold them together. It should be the wrong side. What the wrong side should be outward. Or mostly in crochet projects there is no wrong or right side, because as you can see it both look same from both sides. So now I will join them together. Let's put them together here. I will put the hook into the first chain of the first project and then the second project. Now I will pull this continue this, putting those hook through the chains of the both project, pulling through them, then pull this. To join projects you can also use needles. Finishing it with another slip stitch. Now you can see I have joined them both. This is how it looks from the inside, that is the wrong side, and from the outside. This part will be in the inside, this part will be in the outside. So that's how you join two panels using slip stitch.